Hi guys, welcome to TechTouch channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to change slide background color in PowerPoint. So before I start the video, please subscribe my channel for more latest video. Guys, first of all open your PowerPoint. If you want to change background color, then right click on this, click on format background. You can see here option. For example, I select solid fill. Now you can see here color. Then select which one you want color. For example, I select blue color. Background color is changed. Then add one more slide. Then change one more background color. Now I select second option, gradient fill. Then select here gradient stops. Adjust what you want. Change color also. Then add one more slide. Select here pattern fill. You can see here so many pattern is there. Select one which one you want. For example, I select this one. Then select here color. Then select here background color. That's it guys. So in this way you change background color in PowerPoint. Thanks for watching friends. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.